that. So I picked this motor. I'm assuming it's not going to start. Been sitting up for God knows how long. So I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to get it going. All right. So you've probably heard of the 3 things that it takes for an outboard motor to run. I'm going to go through those 3 with you right now. They are money, good luck, and good looks. Oh no, that's the 3 things you need to find a good Cajun woman. That's not the right 3 things. The 3 things are compression, spark, and fuel. So I'm going to walk you through those 3 steps right now. I'm going to go get my gas tank and I'm going to plug her up and I'm going to pull the rope a few times and let's see if it starts. Alright, so if everybody's ready, here we go. Alright, so I got my gas tank. I'm going to plug her up.